Hey friends, welcome to our channel Magic World TV. Let's unbox a huge variety of some animal toys. So keep watching. We have some sea animal toys, some dinosaurs, some insect toys, some zoo animal toys, and some farm animal toys. So let's review them together. Firstly, let's unbox the sea animal toys. A lobster, a lobster, a stingray, a stingray, an octopus, octopus, a manta ray, a manta ray, a pufferfish, pufferfish, seal, a seal, seal, starfish, shark, a shark, a sea lion, a sea lion, dolphin, a dolphin, a manta ray, a blue whale, a blue whale, a crab, a crab, a sperm whale, a sperm whale, a walrus, a walrus, hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark, a turtle, a turtle, penguin, penguin, squid, squid. Let's unbox some dinosaur toys. A Cantrosaurus, a Cantrosaurus, a Tyrannosaurus Rex, a Tyrannosaurus Rex, Ankylosaurus, Ankylosaurus, Stegosaurus, a Stegosaurus, a Velociraptor, Velociraptor, Spinosaurus, Spinosaurus, a Ceratosaurus, Ceratosaurus, a Plesiosaurus, Plesiosaurus, a Styracosaurus, a Brachiosaurus, a Parasaurolophus. Now let's unbox some zoo animal toys. A cheetah. A cheetah. A giraffe. A giraffe. A lion. A lion. An elephant. An elephant. A crocodile. A crocodile. A rhinoceros. A rhinoceros. A kangaroo. A kangaroo. A snake. A snake. A hippopotamus. A hippo. Polar bear. Polar bear. Tiger. Giraffe. Now let's unbox some insect toys and learn their names. A spider. A spider. A fly. A housefly. A green frog. A mantis. A ladybug. A ladybug. A scorpion. A scorpion. A honeybee. A bat. A bat. An ant. A grasshopper. A centipede. A centipede. A cockroach. A mouse. A dragonfly. Now let's unbox some farm animal toys. A buffalo. A buffalo. A dog. A dog. A cat. A cat. A goat. A goat. A rooster. A cow. A cow. Sheep. Horse. Horse. Duck. Duck. Lamb.